You change your car's oil regularly to keep it running. You update your computer's operating system to protect your data. Roads and infrastructure undergo constant maintenance to keep the country moving. Your furnace is no different. The expert service technicians at HVAC 911 help ensure your furnace runs efficiently for years to come, keeping your building's occupants safe and comfortable while protecting other crucial systems. Skipping regular maintenance might seem like a way to save money, but an unexpected breakdown can cost far more in repairs and inconvenience. Why not rely on HVAC 911's highly skilled technicians to inspect safety features, clean and replace filters, and check for worn-out parts before they become costly problems? You can't put a price on safety and comfort. Our contractor referral network will find a local service tech to conduct the furnace maintenance and provide peace of mind for the weather ahead. HVAC 911. Emergency HVAC service just one click away.